In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add MS Excel data to Google Sheets in real time. The goal here is simple. You will take an Excel file from your computer, upload it to Google Drive, open it, and then convert it into a native Google Sheets file. Once it is in Google Sheets format, it works smoothly in the browser and can update as you make changes, making it a great option when you want your spreadsheet data available online. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Drive. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one for work or personal files. When Google Drive loads, you will see your folders and files. Next, look toward the top left corner of the page and click the New button. This is where you create or add files into Drive. In the menu that appears, select File Upload. Your computer will open a file picker window. From here, locate your Excel spreadsheet, the file that ends in i.xlx, and select it to upload. Give the upload a moment to finish. Larger spreadsheets may take a little longer, especially if they include many tabs, formulas, or images. When it is done, you will see the Excel file listed in your Drive. Now, double-click that uploaded Excel file to open it. Google Drive will open it in a spreadsheet view, which lets you preview and work with the file. However, to get the best compatibility and a true Google Sheets experience, you will convert it. At the top of the spreadsheet, click the File menu. In the drop-down list, select Save as Google Sheets. This creates a new version of your spreadsheet in Google Sheets format. It will usually keep your data and most formatting intact, but it is still a good idea to quickly scan through the sheet afterward to confirm that formulas, charts, or special formatting carried over correctly. Once the conversion is complete, you are now working in a fully compatible Google Sheets file stored in your Drive, ready for real-time editing and access in the browser. And that is all there is to it.